Hi guys, I'm Siri Pujita Devarakonda and I'm from Biotech Department from Karimnagar.
Hi guys, this is Sathik Endapalli. I'm from EC branch and I'm from Hyderabad.
Hi friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sahil Babu. This is the 4th episode of my college review series and I am super duper excited for this video because in this video I am going to give you the whole college review of my college, NIT Warangal. Yeah, you will listen it right, NIT Warangal. In previous episodes, first episode NIT Trichy, second episode NIT Surathkal and the third episode NIT Rourkela. We'll upload the links in the iTab. Please go and watch and give a big thumbs up to them. Okay, coming to this video, in this video also like previous episodes, I am going to show you the 3 parts. First part is the aerial view and the campus tour of NIT Warangal. In the second part, full details about the campus, fee structure, campus placements, courses offered, hangout places inside and outside the campus, about the fest and everything about the college will be shown in the second part. And in the third part, I will be sharing you the freshers experience in NIT Warangal will be shared with you. So without taking much time, let's get into the presentation.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow.
Welcome back to second part of the presentation. National Institute of Technology, Warangal, Warangal Hyderabad Highway, Warangal, Telangana 506004. And this is the main building of the campus and it is established in 1959. One of the oldest NITs. And if you speak about the rankings of NIT Warangal, according to NIRF 2020, it has ranked 46th in the overall category, 19th in the engineering category. NIRF means National Institutional Ranking Framework. According to Atal Ranking of Institutions on Innovation Achievements, it has ranked between 11 to 25. According to Outlook's India's Best Engineering Colleges, it has ranked 21 in the year 2019. If we talk about the connectivity, which is how to reach NIT Warangal. Nearest bus stand is Hanmakonda bus stand, 4.2 kilometers from the campus, and then Warangal bus stand, 10.5 kilometers. Nearest railway station is Kazipet Junction railway station, 4 kilometers from the campus. Warangal railway station is 10.5 kilometers from the campus. Nearest airport is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, and it is in Hyderabad, 168 kilometers from the campus. Here you can see the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport and Kazipet railway station and Hanmakonda bus stand. Modes of admission: through JEE Mains followed by JOSA and CSUB counseling, and also through DASA and Civic. Courses offered in NIT Warangal are Biotechnology, Chemical, Civil, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. If you see the seat matrix of NIT Warangal, total number of seats are 1004, and those are distributed into 3 categories, and Andhra Pradesh, which is supernumerary quota, and Telangana, which is home state, and other than Telangana, other states. Then if we talk about the cutoffs in NIT Warangal, here I mentioned general category, gender neutral and female. If you need the category wise cutoffs, I mentioned the link in the description. Please go and check your cutoffs according to your category. And about the fee structure of NIT Warangal, institution fee is 62,500 per semester, and 7,500 is annual fee, and 24,500 one time fee. Hostel fees 16,000 per year boys, and for girls 13,000 per year. 15,000 for mess fees per sem, which is advance. If at all any money is left, that will be forwarded to the next semester. 15,500 as a caution money, which is refundable. NIT Warangal also provides scholarship for those students who belong to the category of SC, ST and PWD. They will get 100% tuition fee waiver. For those candidates from general category and OBC students whose family income is less than 1 lakh, will get full remission of the tuition fee. And for those students like in general category and OBC students whose family is between 1 to 5 lakhs, will get a remission of 2/3 of the tuition fee. And coming to the placements of NIT Warangal, if you see the latest trends, that is in 2020, highest package is 51 lakhs per annum for 2 students in 2020, and 14 students got 44 lakhs per annum. And highest package is 51 lakhs per annum in the year 2020. And in 2019 it is 45 lakhs per annum. Average package is 7 to 8 lakhs per annum. Average CSE package 18.5 lakhs per annum. Average ECE package 11 lakhs per annum. Around 150 companies have come for campus recruitment. 8+ pointer is the safest, and internships are provided. Career Development Center and Amazon, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Goldman Sachs, Adobe, Oracle, Uber, Disha, Samsung and are major recruiters. And if you see here, this is the max and highest CTC in lakhs per annum for branch wise. I have mentioned here. Biotechnology 11, Chemical 23.65, Civil 17.3, Computer Science and Engineering 45, and ECE 43, EEE 30, Mechanical 23.65, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering 11. And here it is the average CTC in lakhs per annum. Once you can check here. And these are the trends of placement statistics in 2019. How many students are passed and how many students are placed. Here you can see biotechnology 41 students are eligible and 27 are placed, and 85 students are eligible, and 76 students are placed from chemical. Out of 98 in civil, 80 were placed, and out of 116 in computer science, 115 students have placed. Out of 116 students in CSE, 115 students are placed, and out of 125 students in EEE, 108 students are placed. Out of 124 students in ECE, 106 are placed. Out of 126 students in mechanical, 105 students are placed. 27 out of 42 metallurgical and materials engineering students are placed. And this is the percentage of placement according to the branch. You can check it here. The highest is computer science. You can see it is 99.14%. And coming to the infrastructure of NIT Warangal, it has spread across 256 acres. If you talk about the class, labs, library, which are very good and spacious and well maintained. And if you see the central library, nearly more than 1.7 lakhs books are provided inside the central library. Even we have a digital library inside the central library, and the computer center is also available, and CAI, Center for Automation and Instrumentation, and a career center for career planning and development. High speed Wi-Fi enabled campus. If we talk about the sports, cricket, football, volleyball, basketball, badminton, table tennis, gym, carom, chess, and athletic track. Floodlights are also provided to all outdoor games, and research opportunity are provided. Startup culture is promoted, and Center for Innovation and Incubation, we call it as IG, where most of the interviews for campus placements takes place. And Startup Cell Innovation Garage IG, and maker space with tools, industry R&D labs, conference and seminar are also there in NIT Warangal. Cooperative stores, which we call it as scoops, where you can buy things which we need in the classroom work. Laundry shop is also there. Salon, Xerox is also available inside the campus, and health center will be available 24/7. And inside NIT Warangal, there is also ATM and a bank and a post office also inside the campus. And coming to hostels, and here you can see on the top left, which is called as 1.8k ultra mega 1.8k, which can accommodate around 1800 students. And this is the right side one is the DASA hostel, the foreign students lives, and bottom left side is the boys hostel room, and this one is the right side is the girls hostel room. 20 boys hostel blocks will be there, and 5 girls hostel blocks, and 1 international hostel. As I said, Ultra Mega 1.8k is Asia's biggest hostel. In first year, you will get a double sharing room. Every room is provided with a bed, table, chair, cupboard, and rooms are very good enough. Common washroom, and they clean it every day. High speed internet facility. Common room with an LED TV. Gym, badminton, table tennis in hostel. Laundry service available. Mess food is not that good. I can assure you that mostly in the government colleges, mess food will be not that up to the mark. And coming to canteen, it will be till 2 o'clock in the night inside the hostel. Coffee shop and snacks corner, till 2 o'clock you will be having a canteen open. Curfew timings is 9 p.m. and hangout places in the campus, most of us spend time in these places, and which are Times Square, which is just in front of the admin building, where we will sit in the groups and enjoy each and every cool evening. And this is the food street, where you will be where every different type of food is available, like snacks. I can say like snacks is available in this food street, where in that food street you will be finding Nescafe, Vaishnavi Grand Hotel, and Amul, Cafe Coffee Day, Kathi Junction. These are Kathi Junction means rolls will be available, and the biryani is also available in Kathi Junction. Coming to NITW canteen, which is the old canteen, where snacks are very nice, and Nescafe near auditorium. Student activity center, SAC, mechanical department. You will be coming to know about this mechanical department once you come into NIT Warangal. And hangout places outside the campus, if we talk about the tourist places near to the campus, are Thousand Pillar Temple, Warangal Fort, Laknavaram, Bogata Waterfalls, Ramappa Temple. These are the tourist places near to our campus. And restaurants are Ryan's, Manar, Palamuru Grill, and etc. etc. If we talk about the multiplex, 2 multiplexes are available in the Tri-Cities, which are S2 and Asian Vijay Mall. And coming to theatres, Ashoka Aplex, Amruta, Ram Lakshman, and 15 more others theatres are available in the Warangal city. Coming to Fest, Annual Technical Fest, which is Technogen. And this is the photo of mine, one of the memory of my first year, TG 19, which is Technogen 19, and its theme is Novas. And Spring Spree is an annual cultural fest. We missed this fest due to this pandemic. And coming to clubs, music clubs, debating club, quiz club, photography club, dance and dramatics, NSS, and each and everything is available, so that student can take part in that things too. Curriculum is amazing and updated. Faculty are really good, supportive, and highly qualified, mostly PhD holders. I can't say that everyone is like that. There may be chances that faculty is also not good. 80% attendance is for sure to be attending the end exams. And here are some pictures. This is a cycle rally of our NSS, and this is a youth rally, one of our memory in first years.
Siri Pujita Devarakonda and I'm from Biotech Department from Karimnagar.
Hi guys, this is Sathik Endapalli. I'm from EC branch and I'm from Hyderabad. First of all, coming to the campus environment, I will tell you in brief. Like, I'm a very homesick guy. Like, I used to go home every week in the starting 4 weeks. Then I liked the campus life so much that now I go once in a month. I guess that answers your question.
Coming to our campus, it is a 250-acre vast campus filled with greenery. We have a lot of places to chill out in the campus like Food Street, Times Square, etc. Most interesting part of NITW is that it is situated in the center so that we can enjoy the outside city to the max.
I mean, campus environment, trust me, it's one of the best you can have. Like, there's a place called Times Square where we all sit and enjoy and chill out in the cool evenings. And there are a lot of places to hang out as well. Like, there's a place 2 kilometers far called as TV Tower where we go on Sunday mornings. It's like a mini trekking experience. Trust me, like, Warangal has one of the best campus lives.
Coming to hostels, the first and second years buildings are quite old ones. But when we go to third and fourth years, we'll get a better blocks to stay.
Coming to hostel, it is one of the biggest hostels in Asia. It is called the Ultra Mega Hostel 1.8K. The hostel is so good. It has 8 badminton courts, 3 table tennis courts within itself. And trust me, like, the hostel, it's like very hygiene and neatly maintained. And coming to the best part, there is something called Amul, which is awake till 2 a.m. So if you're getting pizzas and burgers at 2 a.m., what will you complain for? And not forgetting the coffees and late hot chocolates we get during exams. They are our lifesavers.
Talking about mess, the food is okay. And all the girls in campus have only a single mess. And I don't want to comment much about it.
Coming to the mess, okay, let me be honest. Second year and third, I've heard from seniors that second year and third year have one of the best messes. And in first year, it was fine. It was eatable. I wouldn't say more. You can't expect more from a government college.
And if I talk about the acads, the faculty and everything else is up to the mark, excellent.
Coming to the classes, like first year classes happen in a building called as New Academic Building. We shortly call it as NAB. Classes usually happen from 8 in the morning to 5, it varies. Like few days it stops at 1, few days it goes on till 5. And few times there is a lab from 5 to 8. And classes are all chill, professor is chill, proxy to banta hai. So it's all cool.
NITW includes good diversity of people.
To the sports, NIT Warangal has one of the best sporting facilities. It has indoor badminton courts, it has an indoor gym, it has volleyball courts, it has a kabaddi indoor map, and it has a specialized football court with an athletic track surrounding it, cricket nets. And there's also a multi-purpose ground beside the 1.8K hostel. I guess it has everything. The downside only being that it doesn't have a swimming pool.
And we have 2 fests. Technozion, which is technical fest, and Spring Spree, which is a cultural fest where people from all over the country come and join. But unfortunately, this year due to pandemic, we were unable to celebrate Spring Spree.
Now coming to the next top, College Fest. I guess I've heard from seniors that our College Fest called Spring Spree is one of the best cultural fest around. But sadly, it was scheduled from March 28 to March 27 to March 29th, and we couldn't have it because of this COVID pandemic. And coming to our technical fest, it is called the Technozion. Last year it was held on November 1 to November 3rd. It is one of the best technical fests in our country. There will be students from all over the country coming to this place. And I could remember seeing drones flying all around me, visiting various robotics workshops. Truly it was an experience for all engineers.
It is a ragging-free campus and the seniors are very, very helpful.
Next, coming to the final topic, which is actually interesting for all of you, ragging. Yes, ours is a ragging-free campus. There is no ragging. Seniors are extremely friendly. And like whenever someone says there is ragging in NIT Warangal, tell them that NIT Warangal is a ragging-free campus. And yeah, trust me guys, NIT Warangal is one of the best colleges around. There are various places to hang out and very good food joints around. So if you're considering NIT Warangal, trust me, it's one of the best choices you're going to make in your life.
And I personally, when I studied my intermediate, my friends used to have NITW as a dream to get in. So yeah, do join and thank you.
I hope every one of you like the presentation. If you find this as a time-worthy video, please give a big thumbs up. And please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video with another genuine review of another college. Until then, take care. Bye bye.